Hi everybody, it's Karen here, and it is Monday, and it's June 28th, and it's really humid here. It's really warm today. The humidity is supposed to go up to 34, 35 today. Anyhow, I hope everybody is well. Our Atlantic bubble has burst, and we're allowed all travelers back to our little safe island, so hopefully it all goes well. So we shall see. Okay, I know that people are so anxious to see all their family and everything, so I feel for them. I'm so happy that my kids are all here with me on the island. Don't get to see them a whole lot, but anyway, they're all busy. I'm busy, so it's that time of year, which is summer. Alright, today I am going to do a 4-wall, 32 count, and it's called Cowboy Up. Now, the original song, I think, was sung by Jill Johnson, and it's actually Cowboy Up, but nowhere. The video has been taken down, so on YouTube, and I don't have it on my Spotify either. So a friend of mine in California does hers to Kaw-Liga by Hank William Jr., so that is what I'm going to do today. Alright, I've taught it for a couple weeks now to my own dance class, and yeah, it's okay. Anyhow, so I'm going to put my back to you. You guys are at 6 o'clock. I'm going to go to 12. So weight's on the left, and what we're going to do is walk right, left, right, stomp, stomp. Okay? So that's the first 4 count. So walk, stomp, stomp. And we're bringing that foot back up. And then now we're going to do the same thing backwards, left, stomp, stomp. So left, right, stomp, stomp. And that's going to come up too, because our next step is we're going to be moving with this on the right, okay? So I'll do that to count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here now, we're going to do side steps. Excuse me, right and left for a 4 count on each side. So side together, side with a touch. Side together, side with a touch. So that should be an 8 count. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. From here, we're just slightly going to put our right leg behind and lean, and we're going to do hip, hip, then lean forward with your left foot and do hip, hip. Now we're going to do right, left, hip. So right, left, left. And that should be a count of 8 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's put those 3 steps together. Walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4. 5, 6, 7, touch 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is back on your right again. So now we're going to do a vine right with a touch. Side, behind, side with a touch. Now our first turn is quarter left. We're going to do a vine, exact same step, only we're just going to turn our body. So side, behind, turn with a touch or a scuff. Okay? You can either do touch or scuff, because our first step again will be walking forward. That's the whole dance. So let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4. 5, 6, 7, touch 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to walk again. So walk, 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 stomp, stomp. Back, 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 stomp, stomp. Side with a touch. Side with a touch. Hips now. Hip, hip, hip. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vine right. And vine turn quarter left with a touch. Okay? And that's it. So it's not too hard. So hopefully you will enjoy it. Like I say, it's Cowboy Up. And it's Kaw-Liga by Hank Williams Jr. Okay, just one sec. Something happened here with my music. Just give me a sec. Try it again. My phone is charging, so maybe that has something to do with it. I'm not sure. And if it does, I'll get my other phone to put it on. Try it again. Here we go. Walk.
Elijah was a wooden man standing over by the door. They made love with a Choctaw maid over in the Georgia store.
Yes, now.
Elijah.
Fine.
Never let
Walk
it
forward.
show. She don't ever answer yes or no. Old Black Hawk.
Hips.
Man wore her beads and braids and hopes I just stayed. Well, I standing there lonesome as can be. Now just wishing he was dead
Everybody
above
okay?
my tree.
Good.
Oh, Elijah, you just ain't never had no kissing. Oh,
Yep,
Elijah,
Sam.
oh, you don't know what you're missing. Never any wonder your face is red. Well, Elijah, you poor old head. Just a head. Just a head.
Very good. Okay, very good. I hope everybody got along well with that. So, I have my dance class on Wednesday. Weather has been crap because every Wednesday it's like rain. So, I don't know if I'm going to have it outside or have to book for inside. So, we will see you soon. So, everybody, please stay safe and be kind. All right? Everybody have a good week and hope to see you soon. Okay? Peace out. Karen.